Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Line app not working. So if your Line application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be because of the internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're not connected to a stable network, you might not be able to use the Line application. Likewise, you might also be facing the problem because of some bugs. In that case, what you can do is simply update the application in order to fix it. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Line. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Line calls and messages and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, uninstall and update. Simply tap on the option update that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Line application has been updated. Once the application has been updated, the bugs will be fixed and you'll be able to access the smoother performance. Now your application should start working. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you can do is simply clear the cache. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library on your device, find the application for Line and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of this application will be cleared. Now try using the app and your application should start working. But if your application does not work, what you can do is simply go back. Now over here in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall. Tap on it. After that, your application will be uninstalled. Go to Play Store and install the application again. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply restart your device. Sometimes there might be some problem on your device. In that case, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem can be fixed. So like this, your application should start working now. So that is how you fix Line application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.